already know, but I own a lot of clothing. My friends watched my first video that I posted and they're like, damn, you have a lot of clothes. Like, where do you store everything? And I'm just like, oh, I just like stuff them in my closet. I just stuffed it in my carrier. Now that the coronavirus has come near us, I have to quickly store everything in a summer storage. So this closet clean out is not what I want to, but is mandatory. So let's jump right into this video and I'll just show you guys what I have and what I'll throw away. So for now, I'm going to make two separate piles. So this side is going to be the stuff that I'm going to keep, and this side is going to be the stuff that I'm going to donate or throw away. So with the drawers, these are the stuff that I'm going to take back home to Korea. These are the stuff that I'm either going to sell or donate or throw away. And these are the stuff that I'm going to keep in that box. Yay! Okay, now so part 2, I am going to go through my my closet, and again divide into 3 groups. It's things I'm going to bring back home to Korea, things I'm going to leave in storage, and things I'm going to get rid of. Now this is a dress that I bought and it's really pretty. It's a really cute summer floral dress, but I don't wear it at all, so I'm just gonna give that away. There's no way I'm getting rid of these. This is a lace 2-piece that I wore for my boyfriend's anniversary. Me and my boyfriend's anniversary. And it's really cute, sexy. I know it's kind of expensive too, so definitely keeping this. But it is another one of my favorite outfits. It's my Harry Potter Orlando one. Yeah, I can't get rid of that one too. It's cardigan. I got this for $5. I got it at a thrift store in Korea and I really loved it a lot, but I don't wear it at all, so I'm gonna donate that. So this dress is really cute. It's always kind of English American, but it also has a and I'm just So these are the stuff that I'm going to get rid of. These are the stuff I'm going to bring. These are the stuff I'm going to store. And those 2 things are things I'm going to wash. And yeah, as you can tell, I don't know if I'll know what is what, but while I organize it, I'll figure it out. Okay, so I have the box of things I wanted to donate from last year and the beginning of this year. So as you can see, I'm just gonna bring you a little bit in. Yeah, this is stuff that I originally wanted to get rid of. And now with the things that I've just accumulated, I'm just gonna try and like shove everything in this box and take it to the Goodwill bin right outside our dorm room. Yay! Welcome back to my closet. It's actually the next day, but I'm still wearing the same shirt, so my video actually looks like I did it in a day to make me seem more productive than I actually am. But we are going to tackle the bottom of my closet, which has like my scarves, my shoes, my bags, my random books that I'm still debating if I should throw them away because I don't really read them anymore. But we're gonna tackle these and sort whether I should throw them out, whether I should give it to people, that's basically, yeah, and I should store them or I should bring them with me. So let's